This is a stick type tread depth gauge. It's a manual plunger style where the plunger goes down, goes up, and it has a scale. This one has 30 seconds and also has millimeter, but here in the States we use the 30 seconds. It's a pretty straightforward tool to use for measuring the major tread grooves in your tire. That's right here, 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 here. That's where you want to stick your gauge. Not necessarily here. It does become a factor if there's a bad like alignment issue, like a toe or a camber issue. But today I just want to show you how to use this gauge going into the major tread grooves. Okay, so how to use this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to place this black base, align it right here on your major tread groove, and you want to make sure the probe part, that's this part here, is pushed all the way up, and you want to put this right over it like that. Okay, so that's step one. Step two is now you want to push in this probe piece. You don't got to kill it, just enough. And what you want to do is when you push it in, you wait till it bottoms out inside the groove. The next thing you want to do is you want to release it. And now we can note the number that's lining up with the barrel part of the tread depth gauge. So this is the barrel, right? This is the probe. And this one, the closest one to that line, would be 6. So you don't just go with one. I like to do all the major tread grooves. So we go 6. And okay, do it again. Do another one here. Okay, 6 is another good one. 6 30 seconds. Go here. Okay, 6. It's looking like a solid 6. And here, up. 5. So this tire is 5 30 seconds. It's still legal. It's still good. However, are other factors with tires. I'm just showing you how to use the tread depth gauge tool. If you see these little bars here. Now, if that's worn down to the bar and they're adjacent to one another, you never want to see that. You need a new tire. But hopefully this was helpful on how to use a stick type tread depth gauge. All right, until next time.